Everyone, this is Dharmendra Sharma, and today I will continue with my second chapter. And today's new topic is changing trend in physical education. Before reading this, we must understand what is the meaning of this heading. Changing trend means the culture, the value, and importance nowadays accepted by the society, because there was misconception about physical education. People were not interested to participate such type of activity. Now the society realize this importance and value. That's why the lot of change comes in physical education. Physical education is the instruction of physical exercise in school is changing for the betterment of childhood health. Trend in physical education to meet the needs of today's youth focus on these stands. Number one is fitness for all, health education, and lifelong exercise routines. Nowadays, children are eating more junk food, spending luxurious lifestyle, and physical activities are very less. The result is overweight, unfit children. To counter this decline fitness trend, many schools and districts have taken a closer look at their physical education program. Physical education program are recognizing the academic benefits of quality fitness programs. Exercise increase oxygen flow to the brain, thereby increasing cognitive skills. Cognitive skills, it means the child when he participate, when he about to perform any activity, he has to think, he has to realize what are the techniques, what are the benefits, then he go for proper execute of the skill, and after that he gets benefit. It also increase the neurotransmission in the brain or connection of neuron, also known as brain cells. Strengthening these connection means that the brain is remembering more efficiently. The current trend in physical education instruction has focused less on fun and team sports and more on getting children healthy. That is most important. Remain healthy, remain fit, and perform well. This is the new policy of the everyone, every school, every administration. The instructor have identified three more core areas. Core areas means the areas which cannot be neglected. The area very important. We have to work those areas. Otherwise, there is no positive result. Current fitness level, educating health matters, and teaching how to plan for long-term exercise. These are the area, these are the core area where need to work. The first key is a focus on fitness. The overall quality of physical education classes has shifted from a fun release of energy. It means when we do any work, we must enjoy the work. Do not take any burden. Then there is always positive result comes. This will be the changing trend in physical education. Now the next topic is various physical education course available in India. Dear children, become physical education teacher and coach or any other field, you need to well qualified. There are some course, if you done successfully, you can be physical education teacher, you can be as a coach. The course are BPE, Bachelor of Physical Education. This course is available after passing class 12th. And BPEd, this course available after completing graduation. MPEd, Master of Physical Education, this course can be done after BPEd, after BPE. Then MSS, Master of Sports Science, NIS Diploma, National Institute of Sports Diploma in Sports Games. My dear children, the earlier physical education as a profession was not recognized in society and had poor social status. But the growing demands of education like school, college, universities, club, training center, recreation park, etc. has increased its status and recognition. This will be the course, importance and value. So you must learn and try to understand the value of physical education. Now we have short answer type question. Question number 1, define physical education. This answer will be on page number 24. Write any one or two definition. You will able to understand the meaning of physical education. Question number 2, what is the aim of physical education? Page number 25, the answer will be there. Mention the objective of physical education. Page number 26, the answer is available there. Now the next is match the following. Part A, physical education. Second, aim of physical education. Third, psychological development. Fourth, emotional development. The answer like this. The physical education, D part, wholesome development of individual. Aim of physical education, it's a C part, educating through physical activities. Psychological development, part A, development of good behavior of individual. Fourth, emotional development, that answer will be B part, expressing proper emotion at right time. This will be the answer of matchups. The short answer type questions and long answer type questions, all the answers are there in the chapter. Children can read and get the answer. Thank you very much. Second chapter over. In my next video we'll start the third chapter. Name is body types. Till the time, take care. Thank you very much.